Mayor. 100 days of hard work, commitment, and shared purpose. And as I stand here before you today, I remember that solemn promise I made to serve with action, compassion, and dedication. And I want to express my deepest gratitude to our then Mayor, Junard Ahongchan, together with Vice Mayor Celsi Sitoy, and the rest of the Kaabag City Councilors. Your leadership, teamwork, and support have built the solid foundation of the good practices, programs, and services that we are enjoying right now. We are fortunate that here in Lapu-Lapu City, the transition of leadership has been smooth and seamless. Proof that unity and continuity are possible when leaders share one vision for the greater good. While I am your new mayor with a different style of leadership, we remain one administration, united in mission, direction, and purpose, which is to serve Lapu-Lapu City with compassion, integrity, and commitment. Because, indeed, we serve better when we are together. From day one, I made a promise that healthcare in Lapu-Lapu City would not only be accessible, but humane and compassionate. And we made that happen. We hired more medical professionals for our Lapu-Lapu City Hospital. An orthopedic and oncologist surgeon, 2 general surgeons, and anesthesiologists. We also added an OB-GYN, bringing a total of 6 OB-GYN doctors. Because of these additions, we expanded our services to include complex biopsies, orthopedic care and surgeries, ultrasound-guided procedures. Ang atong hospital is now better equipped to handle these cases, reducing referrals to Vicente Soto Hospital. Dako pud ang atong pasalamat sa PCSO for their donation of a new patient transport vehicle for the city hospital.